Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. I am Aarti and welcome to my channel Bake in Line. In this video, we'll learn how to make mango squash and finally we'll make mango fruity and mango iced tea using that squash. So let's start with the recipe today. For this recipe, we will need 2 large size ripe mangoes and 1 medium size raw mango. So the first step is to peel them and to cut them into small pieces. Now my mangoes are peeled and cut. I'm gonna make puree out of it and then we'll continue further. To cook the squash, add the mango puree, both the mango purees in a pan and then add 1 cup of sugar over here. Mix everything well and cook for 5 minutes until you see it has become translucent in color. The whole process will take around 5 to 7 minutes, so just be patient with it. Now as you can see, the color has become translucent and is quite shiny, and overall it took me 6 minutes to cook at this stage. Now I'm gonna switch off the flame. If you want to store this squash for longer time, add juice of 1 lemon over here. This will increase the overall shelf life of this squash. So this way you will be able to save it for approximately 2 to 3 weeks. Before storing, pass it through a sieve. And now I'm adding the cool squash into a sterilized glass bottle here. Try to use a glass bottle, not a plastic one, and keep this in your fridge section for 2 to 3 weeks. Now let's start with the first drink, which is mango fruity. So pour half of the mango squash or as per your requirement in a bowl. Now in the half of the mango squash, I'm adding approximately 2 cups of water and some ice cubes. Mix everything well and your mango fruity drink is ready to be served. And here is my fresh homemade mango fruity, which is so delicious, much better than the market one. Do click on the bell icon button, that will keep you updated about all the videos we'll be adding to this channel. Also you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook to see the daily updates. And now let's move on to our second drink. which is our mango iced tea. Pour approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of your mango squash. Add some mint leaves, juice of 1 lemon, half teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And now I'm adding half cup of my prepared cool black tea here. Mix everything well. And now pour the liquid in which you want to serve your mango iced tea. I'm throwing in some more lemon slices, some ice cubes and approximately 1 cup of water here. Mix everything well and your mango iced tea is ready to be served. I hope you like today's recipe. Do subscribe to my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Like, comment and share. Till then, just take care of yourself. I hope you'll make this recipe. Do share with me how you liked it. Thank you so much. Bye.